Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Destiny 2 codes. I'm using my tablet in today's video, but if you're using it in any other platform, then you can follow these steps for a quick redemption. First of all, launch open the Destiny 2 application on your device and go to the More button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Once you're inside the More menu, click on Account Settings at the top. Under Account Setting, look for Redeem Code button and tap on it. This will take you to the Redemption Code website. Now you can go ahead and choose Redemption Code from the drop down, and then in the box at the bottom, type in your redemption code correctly. Make sure to type in your code exactly as it appears, and once you are done with your code, click on the Redeem Code button. If you have your code correct, you will be able to redeem it right away. So that is how you easily redeem your Destiny 2 accounts code with the help of a Destiny 2 accounts code. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.